Welcome to our brand new channel, where we help you master your personal finances and live your best life. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into a crucial skill for financial success, creating and sticking to a budget like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll have the strategies to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started. Step 1. Set your financial goals. The first step in creating a budget like a pro is to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with my money? It could be saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, starting a business, or even taking a dream vacation. Defining your goals will give your budget a purpose and keep you motivated along the way. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. To create an effective budget, you need to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. Start by tracking your income sources, such as your salary, freelance work, or side hustles. Then, categorize your expenses into fixed, like rent or mortgage payments, and variable, such as groceries, entertainment, or dining out. This will give you a comprehensive view of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Step 3. Prioritize your expenses. Now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to prioritize them. Begin by covering your essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate funds for debt payments, savings, and investments. Finally, you can budget for discretionary expenses like entertainment and dining out. By prioritizing your expenses, you ensure that your needs are met while also working toward your financial goals. Step 4. Identify and eliminate wasteful spending. To truly stick to your budget like a pro, you need to identify and eliminate wasteful spending. Review your expenses and look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. This could mean canceling unused subscriptions, cooking at home more often, or finding free or low-cost alternatives for entertainment. Remember, small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Step 5. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to ensure you stick to your budget and meet your savings goals is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account or investment vehicle. This way, your savings are deducted before you have a chance to spend them. Automating your savings takes the effort out of saving and makes it a seamless part of your budget. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. No budget is complete without an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Treat this fund as a non-negotiable expense in your budget. Building an emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects you from unexpected financial setbacks. Step 7. Monitor and adjust your budget regularly. Creating a budget is not a one-time task. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments. Review your budget on a monthly basis to see if you're staying on track. If you notice any deviations, analyze the reasons behind them and make necessary adjustments. Life circumstances change, and your budget should reflect those changes. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your budget, you'll stay in control of your finances. Now that you know how to create a budget, let's talk about how to stick to it like a pro. Step 8. Be disciplined and accountable. Stick to your budget by setting rules for yourself and resisting impulsive purchases. Find an accountability partner, such as a friend or family member, who can help you stay on track and provide support when needed. Step 9. Celebrate milestones and stay motivated. Recognize your achievements along the way, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal. Rewarding yourself periodically will help you stay motivated throughout your financial journey. That's it for today's video on how to create and stick to a budget like a pro. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.